Today, we're diving into the VSDISPLAY HDMI controller board kit designed for 9.7-inch LCD screens with a 2048x1536 resolution. Compatible with screens like LP097QX1, LTL097QL01, HQ097QX1, and LQ097L1JY02Z, this kit aims to bring new life to your display experience. The HDMI LCD board supports a mini HDMI version 1.4 input and offers versatility with an EDP interface. It's not just about visuals. There's an audio output supporting earphones and speakers, 4-ohm 2W or 8-ohm 1.5W. The convenience of standby mode, kicking in when no input signal is detected, ensures energy efficiency, drawing less than 1W. When it comes to power, the recommended specifications are clear. You can use a DC power supply with a 3.5mm x 1.35mm connector at 5-12V DC or a micro USB at 5V DC. The VSDISPLAY power adapter is suggested for optimal performance. In the box, you'll find the HDMI LCD controller board, VSRTD09703V1, converter board, signal cable, and a keyboard with cable. It's important to note that a power adapter isn't included in the packing list, so be prepared. Overall, if you're into DIY display projects or need a replacement accessory for your 9.7-inch screen, the VSDISPLAY HDMI controller board kit is worth considering. It brings flexibility, audio support, and energy efficiency to the table, enhancing your visual experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.